there is about of something sound, some sound you make on the car, something terrible. You hear it seen as things that want to spoil. A lot of things spoil in the car. But sometimes there is many things to locate on this place. For this place, you have driving shaft, you have ABS on the shaft, you have the pan of the ABS. Who suppose if you not set the thing well, the thing may be turning. If you are moving like this, so even if you match brake or not match brake, you will see some of the sand, things that you not expect that is going to happen in the car. But things like that, the reason why I want to judge this now is to check what's available on it, whether it's the inside pan or brake pad, because so many things. Okay, the caliper system is there, pan is there, brake disc is there, many things and other necessary things is there. But one also want to check it, what I will expect that is between that is either inside pan or brake pin or ABS pad. That is what I'm going to talk about today. So people may know it. We are working different types of Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, something that you don't know about, because sometimes some sound we make on the car that we don't know what is it. You think that it's brake pad, it is what people know, but there is many things, a lot of things that are contained in that tire. That's what I'm talking about today. So follow my page. I have some question that you don't know. We will tell you. Alright.